Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this hairstyle, and it's very simple. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can see how I got to get this look together. And without no further ado, let's head to the video. Okay, so guys, I decided to show you guys my eye makeup. So this is going to be a get ready with me, but I'll be simply showing you guys my eye makeup and my lip makeup tutorial, whichever. So I went in with a bit of the brown at the crease, then I cut crease as you can see, and I'm using these neon pigments. I got them from Makeup Tools Kenya. I'm going to put a link on the description box for you guys to shop directly from them. So I decided to go with a pinkish purplish neon pigment for this look. Then after that, I'm going to use a pink liner to line my eyes. This is kind of different because I'm used to black, but anyway, yeah, let's do this different. I really don't have to be really specific with everything that I do. Let's break boundaries. So yeah, after using, guys, I kind of went forward with a step, but at first I'm going to be doing the lips. So first of all, I used a black liner to overline my lips because I was going for the darkish look. So after lining my lips with the black eyeliner, which is number 1, I went over it with the number 3 eyeliner, as you can see. So it toned down the black a little bit. Then after that, I went in with the lip gloss, which is from the Wild Heaven store. I'm going to put a link also for this IG page for you guys to shop for this lip gloss, and it smells like toffee, guys. I felt so cute and sexy in this gloss. You just feel yourself. I don't know, like, if you can get it, just let me know afterwards what you think about it. But it's really soothing, and it has a very nice smell. So after this, it's when I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, guys. So I'm not going to be explaining that step again. Another important thing is fixing the area around your lips, because you want your lips to be shaped in a nice way and for them to be shaped as your lips should be. So I like to clean the lining of my lips to make the perfect lip makeup. So yeah, that is a bonus, guys, but you really don't have to do this. This is for someone who really wants perfection with their lips, but it's not really necessary. So guys, I'm going for the half up and half down hairstyle. So at the back, I'm going to be putting on a cap because I can't do cornrows right now, and this is the easiest way I could think of doing it at the back. Then at the front, you're just going to put on some gel, then tie the hair upwards. That is just all. I think this video is self-explanatory because it's something you can watch and learn what it is you need to do. So yeah, guys, I hope you're loving this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You can comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something you would like to try out? Just let me know in the comment section, guys. So let's keep on.
I've been making moves, trying to stack up my achievements. I've been moving with a sequence. I'm a young dude, trying to get my first million. For the bands, I'm a pilgrim, praying to the Lord. Rain blessings on the boy, rain blessings on the boy. Need the real fucking toy. I need the real fucking toy. I need the real, not.
So sadly guys, this is the end of this tutorial guys, and I'm so happy with the outcome. I was just trying and seeing as it goes, but it turned out well. I did not plan to have this at the front, and I kinda had an idea last minute and it worked out, and it looks so simple and so nice. It looks like I have dyed my hair and I styled it. It's so cute. I just love the way it looks. So if you want to get this wig, you can DM Coco Chanel _ collection on IG and make your order, or you can just DM me on my IG account to make an order. And guys, make sure you give me a like, make sure you subscribe if you're new here, or if you've not, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And until our next video guys, bye.